But even that, it makes it super simple, because right now it's like 2 in the morning, so like we're doing late night feed, so much easier. All right, so I wanted to share with you guys this amazing invention here. So this is a self-feeding pillow by Bebe, and essentially what it is a hands-free little pillow that places a support behind the baby's neck, kind of like you're cradling their neck, and then the other part consists of this little strap here where you put the bottle, and then the baby basically can feed, well, they can't feed themselves per se, but basically it imitates a latch of a breast. It's this band is pretty strong, so what happens is the baby can actually stop eating and pause, and the bottle's not going to slide into their face, which is very important. There's another one that I looked at, it was basically a sleeve, and then that one just, it was like an elastic, and then that I wasn't really too keen on that one, but this one works very good. Also, it gets to sort of like suck harder or slower, and you can pause as well, which is really good. Another thing that I like is that it holds big bottles and small bottles, and again, the only thing is that the very last 10 mils, sometimes you kind of need to either adjust this, so you would go and press this down like that, but even that, it makes it super simple, because right now it's like 2 in the morning, so like we're doing late night feed, so much easier. And then sometimes you want to take this out, right? I'm going to take this out, and then basically just kind of do the last bit like that, but the baby is pretty much done. And check that out. Good job, baby. Yeah, so baby's happy, daddy's happy, everybody's happy. Okay, baby, so now we're gonna burp you. So we're gonna this goes right over their head. Okay. And again, I'm just gonna show you, there you go, baby. And right here, there is also, when the baby's head gets big enough, this comes off. So there's these clasps here that you take off right here, right? So that way you can go and unhook this and hook this if you want. Yeah, pretty thick, as you can see, and there's nothing in here. This is just thick foam. But yeah, you can kind of squish it and adjust it as you see fit. But definitely helps. Thanks for watching.